Okay, let's continue with the repair. The example repair of the L angle. Now we trying to look at we have done the load transfer analysis. We try to determine the load failure. What will be the potential load failure of the repair? Sorry, what is the potential failure of the repair? Okay. So we go back to where we are. We have this angle. This is the horizontal flange, vertical flange, horizontal flange. We have damage. We cut one off. We put a doubler. Install 4 rivets. We may have 2 rivets here, and we install filler behind, so that is hidden behind the doubler. If we draw properly from the side, let me try to draw it nicely. One side, then we have this okay. So from this view, so here is the vertical flange, this is the horizontal flange. And then if we look at the front side view, we have and doubler, and this is all the filler. If we cut through here, and we have installed 4.8 millimeter MS 20470 AD rivets. So here what we do, we have cut, okay, let's just put a bit bigger, and we have installed doubler, 4 rivet, 1, 3, 4 rivet, 1, 2, 3, 4 rivets, and we may have 2 rivets here on the filler. Okay, what will be the potential failure? First, the rivet, the doubler may buckle between rivets, so we call that as inter rivet buckling. We also have the between rivet to rivet, the doubler start to have local failure. Okay, local failure, we call it crippling or wrinkling. And if you draw from this view, you will see the doubler. Okay, this is the flange from top view, and you have, and the doubler, we have the filler behind, 1, 2 fastener, make it more, okay. 2 rivets, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 rivets. So what will be the potential failure? What can happen? So we look at here, the doubler itself may buckle, may wrinkle, but the doubler, the fastener rivets may migrate out from here. So here we call it tear out or shear out failure. That's why the rule of thumb, the edge distance, okay, we have edge distance, rule of thumb is 2 times the diameter. So why we need to use 2 times the diameter, hopefully you will not have the problem of tear out or shear out. You also may have damage from rivet to rivet, we call it inter rivet shear. That's why normally we talk about 4 to 6D diameter of the rivet spacing or rivet pitch, because we are trying to eliminate the inter rivet shear, we try to eliminate the inter rivet buckling. So failure 2, 3, 4. Okay, another failure will be shear off the rivets. Okay, rivet 5, shear off. Mean the rivet cut into 2. So shear off case is we have a plate, and then we install rivets. So the force here will be against here, the force here will be against here. These two forces acting together, they may cut the rivet into 2. So that is another potential failure. Another potential failure is net tension. So the fail through the fastener. So that doubler will cut through the fastener, and this we call it number 6 is we call this as net tension failure. So we have this 6 failure: inter-rivet buckling, crippling, wrinkling, you will have tear outs, we have inter-rivet shear, we have net tension, and you may have shear of the rivet. So those are the failure. We need to do analysis to ensure the doubler ripper is good.